Good day everyone, I am Rolly C. Franco. I'm a science teacher from the Philippines. For this video, I am going to present a sample of my planned delivery of a 15-minute science communication injection. This is my final assignment for the Science Communication for STEM Education 2024 workshop by the Head Foundation. It provides the opportunity for me to combine and apply the strategies that I have learned throughout this workshop. For this video, I am going to use the following strategies: lateral chunking and analogies, stimulating questions, and audience profiling. Let's begin! Let us move to the next part of our lesson. Meta-humans. Is it possible? Meta-human, an individual with powers and abilities beyond human limits. It has been a great theme in most sci-fi movies, integrating special skills into a human body, being resistant to most diseases and injuries, and becoming the perfect archetype of our race has been a debate since we finally decoded our genotype. Scientists are even studying what they call designer babies. Babies born from scratch of what their parents intended them to be when they were conceived. All of these ideas are rooted in what we call the genetic engineering. It is a process in which genetic material is transferred from one organism to another. It then results into a new organism called genetically modified organism or GMO, making it unique, possessing hybrid characteristics and favorable to what the designer wants it to be. As a student born in this advanced world, do you prepare the introduction of genetic engineering to humans? And would you like to design what your babies would look like in the future? But let's say there is an alien invasion war and we've completely exhausted human resources, and still we have no chance of winning, and you play the role of a doctor who will make yourselves a meta-human, a human with special skills, abilities, or features that will let you win the alien invasion war. Can you think and sketch what the meta-human version of yourself looks like? Using a piece of bond paper and pencil, sketch how you imagine your meta-human self. For those who have and prepare using a smartphone, use a sketch app and your touch pen to create your work. Again, it's time to unleash your own meta-human. Now that you are done with your work, you will have to present it to the class. Each row of students will become a group, and you will first present your work with your teammates. You will also brainstorm and answer the questions that I will present. Consolidate your answers as a group, and one member will present it later. Here are the questions that you need to answer. First, what are the names of your meta-humans and your team or league? What are their special characteristics? What do you think are the processes that these meta-humans will undergo to look like they are? Are they possible to be created in real life? Third, what do you think will be the impact of these meta-humans on people, to animals, to environment? And lastly, if your group will become a league of heroes, what can your meta-humans contribute to the society, especially in the alien invasion war? The activities that you did gave you a glimpse of the concept that we will explore today. That is genetic engineering, the processes of genetic engineering, and the benefits and risks of genetically modified organisms or GMOs. To help you discover what is genetic engineering, you will have to take a tour and adventure in a virtual world. This is called Gene Technology Spirit's Quest. Are you ready for an adventure to unravel the truth and help the lost souls find their rest? Let the quest begin. Welcome to the Gene Technology Spirit's Quest. Let the adventure begin. In this application, you will have to find the lost souls and help them get to rest. By helping them, you will learn about genetic engineering. There are different worlds or stages that you can travel and explore so that you can learn about what is genetic engineering. That's it for my presentation. Once again, I'm Rolly C. Franco, science teacher from the Philippines. Thank you for watching.